Hey, Byron here from HobbyKing. I want to show you today a short video of our SBD4 S.BUS Decoder system. Now, I've showed you this product already in our daily video, and I told you in that video that I would give you a short demo of how this product actually works, so you can see it hooked up with servos and actually see what it does. Now, the idea behind this is this allows you to use non-S.BUS compatible servos with your S.BUS radio system. So this keeps you from having to spend the money on different servos if your model has servos already that you wish to use that are not S.BUS compatible. So very cool product here. Now it's a 4-channel output. So what this will allow you to do is to take your one S.BUS output on your receiver, and you can assign up to 4 channels independently to your separate servos. Now, the configuration we have here, you can see we've got an orange 7-channel receiver, which is S.BUS compatible, and we've got this hooked up right now to the programming card. Now, these are 2 components you need together to make this system work. The SBD4 is actually the decoder itself, and this is the programming board so you can assign the channels. Now, we sell this in a combo that comes with both units, so you can get started in the beginning and have the programmer and everything you need. We also sell the SBD4 separately, so once you purchase the combo and you have the program card, if you want additional decoders, you can purchase those separately. Now, the first thing you'll see here, you've got our output channels, and you've got your 4 outputs for the decoder. Now, what you're seeing up top here is the actual channel from the transmitter, your receiver rather. So this is the actual channel coming from your radio system, and you use this to assign that channel to the appropriate output on the decoder. So right now we've got channel 2 here, which is assigned to our output 1. Now what you do is, if that's the channel that you want assigned for your output 1, then you would leave that alone. Now if you want to change that, you push your button here on the right, which this will allow you to select between the available channels. Now this goes all the way up to, as you can see, 16 channels here, which, just depending on what type of radio system you're using, will allow you to assign the appropriate channel. Now what we're going to do is we'll go here, we'll start with channel 1, which is going to be generally your throttle output, and we want that for our output 1, so we'll leave that at that. Now we go on to the next, we hit the button here, which will take us to the second output of the decoder. Now what you can see, we've got that assigned as channel 3, so we'll go ahead and leave that. Moving on to the next, we're going to change this because we've already done our output 1 as channel 1, so let's make this channel 2. And we're going to go to number 4 here. This is assigned to channel 5. So again, these are your output channels from the radio system, and then this is going to be the actual output of your decoder that you're assigning that channel to. So you can see here we've got those assigned, and what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to show you how this works. We've got our radio, and the first thing we'll do, we'll use our channel 1, which that's channel 1 on the radio, which is throttle, and that's output number 1 of the decoder. So we see here we've got our number 1 output, and if we work our throttle, you can see here that works output number 1. So moving on to the next, we'll go to output number 2, which we've assigned as channel 3. So what that will be on this particular receiver would be your aileron control. So as you can see here, we've got output 3 operating on our aileron channel. So move on to the next. We'll go to, I'm sorry, that was output 2. We'll go to output 3. You can see we've got that assigned for channel 2. So that's going to be our elevator, which we've got output 2 operating with elevator. Finally, we'll go to our 4th output, which we had assigned as channel 5, which I believe is the gear channel, the way we've got this assigned. Yeah, so if we flip our gear switch on our radio, you can see here your 4th output is being operated. Now, works quite well, guys. As you can see here, you're only using 1 output, that single S.BUS output from the receiver. So it saves you from running separate leads to each of your servos, and it allows you to independently assign those channels regardless of what channel output you're actually using on your radio. So very cool device here. Now, as I mentioned, we've got the program card hooked up for assigning the channels, so I'll show you how this works. If once you program it and you want to use just the decoder by itself, then we can go ahead, we can disconnect. And then what we're going to do here, we're going to directly connect the decoder to our S.BUS output. And then as you can see here, This retains your programming, and all your channels are assigned. So very cool product, guys. Check it out. Also, pick up one of these 7-channel or our 9-channel orange receivers that you've got the S.BUS compatibility. Very cool product, guys. So check it out. It's on the new items page now. You'll be able to find the full product specifications as usual in the item listing. So once again, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.